What's going on, y'all? Let's make it pop. What you got today? Somebody has challenged me that I, myself, Master Chef, cannot turn these chicken breasts and coat them in chips and fry them successfully. We're gonna see if we can do it.
What?
Alright, what's going on, y'all? Looks like we got our finished product here. You see it. Fried Doritos chicken hot chip. I keep getting mixed up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a piece of that chicken just like that there. We're gonna take a fresh piece of pepper jack, yeah. And we're gonna take 2 pieces of bacon, just like so, right? And then we're gonna hit the top of that with that homemade mac and cheese. Boom. Just like that. Just like that, baby. And there you have it. Yeah. Cheese.